In this video, I'm going to show you how you can raise a merge request and potentially contribute to the development of our NetBox plugin project. So in the previous video, we saw how you could change the code of the plugin and have that replicated into the web application so you could see that. Now, in this video, I am just going to show you how after changing the code, you're able to raise a merge request and potentially let us know about the changes so we can use the development. So here I'm inside the repository, and this is for Slurped.io. I have to create a copy of this repository for myself. And the way we do that is by forking a project. You create a namespace that will be your namespace, either make it public or private. I'm going to fork it. And if the project is forked, it is going to be under my own account or name. From here, I can make the changes. From here, I can first change that to dev. So the local branch doesn't really matter, but the target branch, the Slurper branch, has to be dev. Otherwise, we can't really accept the changes because the main branch is the production. And dev is for testing purposes, so keep that in mind. Now, this is the project, and what I can do here is first go back here, and I'm going to go to the project settings. From here, I will choose CI/CD, and I will create a runner. So I'm going to expand this, and I'm going to create a runner. I can run on tag jobs and create this runner. So basically, this is mandatory if you want to run the jobs and tests. Otherwise, the test won't run. There it is. So I will go back to here one more time, Slurped NetBox, change that to dev. And from here, I'm just going to change something very small. So if I go to NetBox, the plugin, onboard devices, we have something here. It's a header. It's a HTML header. I will change that to onboarding devices instead of onboard devices. So I will go to source, Slurped NetBox, templates, and choose this HTML doc. I'm going to edit this single file, and I want to say onboarding devices and commit the changes. The changes are committed. Now, if I create a merge request, I can do it from here, or I can do it from the main page of the repository under my own account. So I will create this merge request and give it a title. I can give it a description. Description is optional. I can delete the source branch afterwards after merging is accepted. So if that happens, then I'm not going to have the dev branch under my own account. So make sure to change branches or actually double check it. The source branch is dev, which is correct. We're going to push it from dev over to dev, not main. So this is important. I'm going to compare branches and continue. And I can create the merge request right from here. I'm not going to do that, but if I do that, it's going to take a few seconds. Then it is just waiting for approval from the other side. Once the other side accepts the merge, then it is going to be merged.